In this video, we will show you how to install your mirror extensions on the Chevy Silverado. These will be attached directly to your outside mirror. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To install this, we're going to come up nice and high and roll it over, starting along the top, and then roll it in and latch it in with the locking tab across the bottom. On the inner portion here, you're going to find that you do have some vibration dampeners. We'll leave those in place. Let's roll this on. Double check to make sure it's completely secured. Go over and do the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle. After that, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.